Hello, we're making easy, simple, and delicious steamed eggs today. It's so easy. Anybody can make it, I promise. Alright, let's get started. You scramble your eggs, add some salt, star anise, add your water. The amount of water is supposed to be the same amount of egg liquid you have, but we're cooking, not doing science, so it does not have to be measured or exact amount. You'll be just fine and the eggs just gonna be delicious. No problem. Add some oyster sauce, some oil. I use sesame seed oil right here. I do think it tastes better, but you can use olive oil, what kind of oil you have at house. Now just wrap it up and steam it for 15 minutes and enjoy. Put some soy sauce on top or chili oil if you like spicy. Let me know in the comment how did your steamed eggs go.